Go, Sue. Okay.
Poop in America.
Oh.
Scared of us. Daisy.
Hell no. You didn't even leave it in for a long time. Oh, hell no. It burned.
He went up her nose. Stop, bitch, stop.
Oh, fuck. I would die.
Help. Die. What's she drinking out of the thing?
Oh, hell no.
We don't even have your bucket to die. We just have to bury you in a bag. She dying. He dying.
I you.
She said,
You feel like killing that hot.
she have it all in. We use a thing to wash this.
I don't give a fuck.
We don't use it to spit.
It didn't even fly out.
Ew, it sounds like a cat.
Oh, hell.
70, how do you feel? How do you
I
feel?
would die. Move, bitch. I should stuck in my tongue. I told you that the thing just happened to me.
How do you feel, honey? How do you feel?
How do you feel, Tiffany? Stop.
No.